Lanyards are not only comfortable for a person to wear, but they also create a professional, consistent look. Lanyards are most commonly found in 36-inch lengths, meaning that the string creating the necklace part of the lanyard measures 36 inches end to end, placing the attached name badge below the chest and above the waist on most adults. TruBadge neck lanyards are available in multiple colors and attachment styles. A swivel hook attachment is shaped like a letter J and is sometimes even referred to as a J hook attachment. To attach a name badge, simply press the two straight pieces of metal towards each other to expose the hook. Then thread it through a punched hole or slot in a name tag. A badge clip attachment pinches open and shut and is primarily used with badges punched with a rounded rectangular slot. Lanyards are best suited for cases where a person is going to wear a name badge all day long or over the course of a multi-day event, ranging from casual to highly professional. The attached name badge is easily worn or removed simply by slipping the lanyard over the wearer's head like a necklace. You can even use color-coded lanyards to distinguish staff from guests, or printed lanyards that explicitly identify a person's role. Lanyards are often worn in team environments because the finished look is so unified. However, there's a potential for the lanyard to get caught during continuous physical activity or on heavy machinery. We strongly suggest using a breakaway lanyard in these cases, since they have a special safety clasp on the neck that releases if the lanyard is tugged sharply, reducing risk. Lanyards are safe for children as long as you use the breakaway variety. For more information about these or other high-quality supplies and equipment, please visit laminationdepot.com.